My name is Thomas Stieglitz. I'm Professor for Biomedical Microtechnology at the Department of Microsystems Engineering, the IMTech, at the University of Freiburg. So, the University of Freiburg is one of the oldest German universities, and its specialty is that we combine here the humanities with biology, with medicine, with neurosciences, and with engineering in a single place. And this is really unique. The IMTech is amongst the leading institutions worldwide on microsystems engineering. That means we have access to latest technologies and clean rooms to manufacture devices and to investigate materials and novel concepts. I'm burning for neural engineering, and especially for neural implants and neural interfaces. And my interest goes from fundamental questions of materials, longevity, up to translational aspects of systems integration, assembly, cables, connectors, wires, and foreign body reactions. When I started here in 2004, I was really crazy about novel concepts and novel interfaces and did a lot of fundamental research. And over the days and years it came out that even though this is really exciting to develop the latest technologies, there's something else, and that is the translation of research results from basic knowledge into clinical devices that really help patients and physicians to develop new therapies and alleviate symptoms of diseases, help to restore functions in diseases and after traumata. And therefore, there was a point when I met Martin and Jörn, and we found out, well, even though the university is an ideal place for this fundamental research, it's not the place for quality management, product development, and approval of medical devices. And we started that endeavor of funding a company. And this gives you one secret. So I'm one of the founding members of CorTec. But I stayed at university doing really here research, education, and am now one of the members of the scientific advisory board, sharing my experience with the company about latest technologies and methods and knowledge. CorTec has its strength in robust and reliable systems, taking advantage of decades of knowledge from materials and combining that with latest manufacturing technologies like laser structuring, for example. And those flexible electrode arrays for the brain and for cuff electrodes are combined with robust packages for recording and stimulation electronics, the brain interchange, which serves as a platform to develop new treatment options and novel therapies. And the beauty of that is the robustness. I cannot repeat it often enough. So it's really something where latest technologies allows dozens of channels while the basic materials have their history in medical device development. And in comparison to other projects that are worldwide run or other products that have entered the market, this is an approach that had the clinical application, the patient benefit in mind from the very first day on. And that limits on one hand probably in the variety of materials, but it really focuses on the application and on the approval and on reliability of the aspects. Combining that with latest ideas from neurology, from neurosurgery, and from psychiatry, and allowing the medical side to get access to all the data that are needed, and tailoring therapeutic options and treatments and interventions really on the patient, on the single patient, and on the situation, being adaptive over a long period of time.